Good morning. Today I would like to present our capstone project called Jurusin, an SBIRT-based major recommendation system with a questionnaire and chatbot. Jurusin is an AI-powered recommendation system designed to help high school students choose a university major that better matches their interests, personality, and academic strengths. Before I begin, let me introduce our team. My name is Putri Aulia Anggreni, and I serve as the project leader and full-stack developer. Together with me are Muhammad Razan, Akila Lutfia, Yesaya Sitomorang, and Wahyudi, who contribute to the development of this project in their respective roles. We work collaboratively from the planning, pass-through, implementation, and testing. So, why is this problem important? According to Medcom in 2023, around 3 out of 10 Indonesian university students choose the wrong major. This issue can reduce student academic motivation, increase their study duration, raise the risk of dropping out, and even lead to career mismatch after graduation. These findings motivate us to develop a recommendation system that helps students make more informed decisions before entering university. Problem statement. Most existing major recommendation systems mainly rely on personality questionnaires. While questionnaires are useful, they often fail to capture students' personal interests, academic strengths, and the context behind their preference. As a result, the recommendation may not fully reflect each student's unique profile. Therefore, there is a need for a smarter recommendation system that combines multiple sources of information instead of depending on only one assessment. To address this problem, we developed Jurusin, an AI-powered major recommendation system. Instead of relying only on questionnaire, Jurusin combines four different sources of information. First, the RASIC questionnaire. Identify the student personality type. The second is AI chatbot. Explore the student interest in more detail. The third is student provide their favorite subject and grades, representing their academic strengths. Finally, these data are processed using SBIRT semantic similarity together with RASIC score to generate personalized recommendation. Our target users are high school students who are preparing to choose their university majors. In this slide, illustrates the overall system architecture. The process starts with the front end, where students complete the questionnaire, interact with the chatbot, and enter their favorite subject. The data is then sent to the Laravel backend, which handle validation, session management, and business logic. Next, Laravel communicate with FastAPI, where the AI recommendation model process the user profile and generate major recommendation. At the same time, Laravel manage data storage through the database. Finally, the recommendation results are returned to the front end and displayed to the user. By separating Laravel and backend and FastAPI, we keep the web application and the AI service independent, making the system easier to develop and maintain. In this slide, shows how our recommendation models work. The process begins by collecting chatbot subject grades and RASIC score. The important information from the chatbot is extracted into keywords and then encoded using SBIRT, while the RASIC score are converted into embeddings. Next, we calculate semantic similarity using quotient similarity and combine it with the RASIC score using a hybrid weighted strategy. Finally, the system produces the top 5 major recommendations along with a confidence score for each recommendation. Using SBIRT allow the system to understand the meaning behind each response, making the recommendation more relevant and than traditional keyword matching. To evaluate the system, we conduct several types of testing. For functional testing, all test cases pass successfully. For API testing, every endpoint responds correctly and communicate proper between Laravel and FastAPI. We also perform load testing, where the system successfully handles 200 requests with 0 errors and maintain an average response time of around 1.7 seconds. Overall, these results indicate that Jurisin is functionally correct, stable, and easy to use. In conclusion, Jurisin demonstrates that combine multiple sources of information can improve the relevance of major recommendation. The integration of SBIRT and RASEC enable the system to better understand student interest and personality. Our evaluation also shows excellent usability and stable system performance. For future work, we plan to integrate a more advanced LLM-based chatbot and provide clear explanation for each recommendation, so users can better understand why a particular measure is suggested. Thank you for watching our presentation. If you are interested in trying Jurisin, simply scan the QR code on the screen. We hope our system can help students make better decisions when choosing their future majors. Thank you.